Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Salesforce how to merge contacts. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To merge duplicate contacts in Salesforce, what you need to do first is head over and open up your Salesforce app. Then once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account with your credentials. Then once you are logged into your account, click on the app launcher, which is grid icon, then search for and select contacts. Then use a list view not recently viewed to find the duplicate contacts by entering a name, email or other criteria. Then check the boxes next to up to 3 contacts you want to merge. Then click on merge contacts button that appears above the list of records. Then Salesforce will display the records side by side with the option to select contact which you want to remain as the primary. Then choose the fields you want to keep from each record. Then after selecting the fields to retain, click on next to review and then select merge. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.